Hi, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you the process on how you can download Bigo Live on your smartphone. To do so, keep watching the video till the very end. If you are not subscribed to our channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Before proceeding further, let me tell you what Bigo Live is. Bigo Live is a live streaming media that provides a unique and interesting platform to the users who can share their life moments and activities with their loved ones and followers in general. To download it into your smartphone, go visit your Play Store for your Android and the App Store for your iOS device. After you open the Play Store, in the search box, type in Bigo Live and search. After you find the app, tap on the install button to begin the download process. After it is installed on your device, tap open the app. That is all you need to do in order to download Bigo Live on your device. I hope the tutorial helped you. If yes, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have anything to say to us. I'll be back again with more videos like this. Thank you for watching the video till the very end.